Meaning of gutter press.
Gutter press.
Gutter press.
Gutter press.
Gutter press. Gutter press is a term used to describe certain newspapers that prioritize sensational stories, often at the expense of accuracy and journalistic integrity. These newspapers tend to focus on scandalous or salacious topics such as celebrity gossip, crime, and sex. They are criticized for prioritizing profit over truth and for contributing to a culture of tabloid journalism that pushes boundaries of ethical reporting. While some argue that gutter press has a place in media, others believe that it does more harm than good by promoting sensationalism and damaging reputations.